10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Morning guys, thanks for clicking back on the channel, really appreciate that, thanks. Gonna show you a setup today with a tarp using bungees. It's probably something you haven't seen before. It's a really quick setup, it's strong and it's light with the bits that you need. You know, you just need 6 pegs, 2 poles, or you can even use branches or walking poles, and 2 guidelines, and of course your tarp. I brought the DPM British Army tarp out with me today, and I'm going to set it up here for you now. I got my sister with me, Lily Boo. Let's get started. So the first thing you do is lay out your tarp square. These are the bits you're going to use: 2 guidelines, 6 stakes, 4 bungees. So what you want to do on the 4 corners, taking a bungee, put the hooks through the grommet and peg out each corner. When you put your pegs in, it's a 45-degree angle. I'll show you that now. Like so. I'm going to do that now on the 4 corners. So with your 4 corners pegged out now with the bungees, you should be looking like this. So it's nice and taut, okay? Let's move on to the next stage. Inserting the poles. So there it is guys, it took about 3 minutes actually to put up. So it's using bungees on the corners, that's the secret. That's what gives it tension. So let's go back to what you need. You need your basher, preferably something with grommets. You need 2 guidelines. I've just done a bowline knot there, and use a taut line hitch knot there to tension it. With 6 pegs, 1 on each corner. Oh, sorry, 1 on each guideline and 1 on each corner. So as I said again, with the bungees, just put the hooks through the grommets, 45-degree angle with the pegs, and bob's your auntie. So that's the A-frame basher there guys, that's the A-frame. Just gonna get inside now and show you. So there you go guys, back to the room, out to the elements, out to the wind. Easy to set up guys. I'm going to put a little video up now of the taut line hitch for the guidelines for you, okay? Right, so let's show you the taut line hitch. So I'm back at home now. So just assume it now, that's the top of your tent, okay? I've just got a plastic knot, sorry, a bowline knot in there, and I got a toggle in there, look. So that's the fixed point, okay? So moving down to the anchor point now, we're going to peg it out. So put your stake in the ground, come round on the inside, the 2 loops. So there's your 2 loops, and come over the top. And put them down together. So the grass out of the way, sorry guys. And there you go, that's your taut line hitch. As taut as you like. So there you go guys, nice quick easy setup, and it is quick too. So it's 4 bungees on each corners, 6 pegs, 2 poles, 2 guidelines, and use a taut line hitch knot. You can use a trucker's hitch knot if you want to, but I prefer to use the taut line hitch. In this short video guys, very informative as always. Thanks for watching guys, see you on the next one. Tank out.